Have you ever wanted a relatively light laptop with gaming PC level specs? Well, if yes, then this is the video for you. Okay guys, it's me Architect, and I got some secret intel on this new Asus ROG Mothership GZ700, which is being revealed at CES 2019. Okay, first of all, this has a design that no one really was expecting this year, but I can safely say yes. As Asus said, the ROG Mothership has been reimagined. That new position takes time getting used to though, but it isn't really that bad. But this is what I really think of the GZ700. Okay, imagine a Surface laptop, a Surface Pro, okay? That weighs nearly 5 kilograms and has a 17.3-inch display. Near desktop level specs, and you're not far off from the ROG Mothership. But luckily we have key specifications and a release date. Or, as I would say, specs. So this magnificent machine has an amazing 17.3-inch 1920 by 1080 144Hz IPS display and a whopping Intel Core i9 8th gen, which can rock up to 4.8 GHz. And keep in mind, this already performs over the premium gaming laptop average. But when you overclock this processor, it is a literal beast, okay? Now, time for that beautiful graphics card. It has a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, which achieves a solid 130 FPS in Battlefield 1, a decent 62 FPS on Far Cry 5 at 4K at the Ultra preset, and 126 FPS on GTA at high resolution. And that's a lot of performance for a laptop, but it's not over yet, guys. It also has a 2TB PCIe storage, a whopping 64 gigs of DDR4 RAM, right? 64 gigs in a laptop. Anyway, it has Intel 802.11ax gigabit Wi-Fi, whatever that means. It has Bluetooth 5.0, and it only weighs 4.7 kilograms. This is more specific because I said 5 kilograms before. I like rounding, guys. It's just my thing. Don't forget the sound though. Since it has a new stance, it has four 4-watt speakers facing you, unlike an average gaming laptop that has their speakers underneath the keyboard facing the flat surface. It comes installed with Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. That depends on what you pick when you're buying it. Now for the one thing that those very rich people in the audience are waiting for, the release date. Because if you know about all these specs, like what's the point of waiting? Anyway, so well, all I know is the UK release, and the UK release is in April 2019, so not that far, a few months, so you guys can start saving, guys. That's literally all we know so far about this laptop, guys. And I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe and share this video, guys. And please share this video. Like, I would appreciate it so much if you could make this video go out to all your friends and family or anyone who's tech savvy. Anyway, guys, that's it. Peace out.